love this product from Lush. It's called Gum Scrub, and what I do is before I put on my lip balm, I scrub my lips so my lips to be so Kylie Jenner-ish. And this is edible. For lip balm, key lime pie. So I love this. So next would be foundation from Shiseido. I really love music while doing my makeup. Use this brush for my foundation. Bought this online. Okay. It is in the shade medium brown. You have to be good in art just to have that fine eyebrows. See? So hard to do this shit. So already. The other concealer that I love using would be Tape Shape concealer. Everyone loves this one. And sometimes I use this one from Benefit. Really bad eye bags. So I need really good concealer. Next would be, this is so cute. This one, these two brushes that I have. I bought these two from Divisoria. So cheap. So yeah. So I bought these two from Divisoria and I don't really care because it works. So first is I'm going to use this one just to show you guys. This one, yeah. I'm gonna extend it up to here, a lot of that to my crease. This is what I'm going to use for my lower eyelid. Okay, so this, I got my eyeliner. Actually, my friend, Pamirara, she's a famous makeup artist, and she gave me this brand, and I think she bought it from Bangkok. And then when I finished the first one, I bought the same one online on Shopee. Here I am, attempting to look like a Bratz doll. Okay, here it is. You know, draw all that. It's called Love Bite for my crease. There inside. In the middle, it's called Lace. Use this one. I need more. I'll use this one and this one. Make sure it's pretty good. Okay, do I look like a Bratz doll now? Blush. Saturated blush. Alright. Cherries using eyeliner and then my lipstick with Energy Delay. What? Really white eyeliner here to have that effect. Stradivarius. Okay. Okay. It's got a hat. So I wanted to have that hat. Put it there. And then they have these clips on the side. So let's put on a lot of that. I have this. Sorry girls, clips from Stradivarius. So I'm just gonna put it there. But I think I need more. These small ones I bought from Landmark, and it's very, very cheap. I don't know. I bought these for like 70 bucks, I don't know. And I bought like other clips from Zara, and it's like 1,000 pesos. And then I saw these rhinestone clips from Landmark, and it's like 50 pesos, 200. It's fine. I already bought them, so never mind. I learned my lesson. Next time I'm going to check out Landmark before I buy trending stuff. Okay.